The Apple TV.
Noah's present.
Don't shake it too much, Sarah. I want YouTube quality.
So, nothing? Oh god.
You have to read it loud.
That's
Do I
tight.
really have to?
Yeah.
8 simple rules for dating my daughter.
Let's go, number one.
Number 1, use your hands on my daughter and you'll lose them after. 2, you make her cry, I make you cry. Safe sex is a myth. Anything you try will be hazardous to your health.
It's from you. You're scaring the poor kid.
Bring her home late and there's no next date.
Wait, what was that one?
Bring her home late, there's no next date.
Oh well.
If you pull into my driveway and honk, you better be dropping off a package because you're sure not picking up anything. Alternative rule number 5, only delivery men honk, dates ring the doorbell once. 6, no complaining while you're waiting for her. If you're bored, mow my lawn. If your pants hang off your hips, I'll gladly secure them with my staple gun. Dates must be in a crowded public places. You want romance, read a book. Noah, in all seriousness, I really enjoy having you around. You're a remarkable young man. I look forward to many great times ahead, as long as Maddie wants you around. And 9, please call me Happy Holidays, Mr. Fishjohn.
No,
it's not
dude,
gonna
it's
be
not.
It's not
You
gonna
won't call
be
me by my first name.
Why?
He's Mr. Fishjohn, that's why.
Yeah,
He can blame himself for